Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change font style on iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version, that is iOS 26, and now you want to change the font style of your system fonts in your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this, or whether you can do this or not. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then scroll it below and tap on general and then scroll it below and go to fonts from here. So guys, you can see this, there are system fonts in iPhone which you can check, but you cannot apply this to your iPhone's system fonts. So guys, you can see this, there is no option to apply these fonts for your system fonts on iPhone. So guys, you can see this, you cannot apply them. So guys, here I will show you how can you change system fonts. Then you have to simply go back and go to display and brightness, and from here you can see, if you tap on text, from here you can increase the size or decrease the size of text for your system fonts on your iPhone, but you cannot change them. And if you go back and if you tap on bold text from here, you can also turn on bold text from here as well. So guys, you can see this, you can bold the text from here, but you cannot change the text from here. Since there is no option to change the font style, then you have to simply open App Store and search here for fonts. Here tap on fonts, and from here you have to simply scroll it below and from here you have to simply tap on fonts AI, and now you have to simply get this app on your iPhone. So I simply get this app, and after this, with the help of this app, you will be able to change the font style of your iPhone's system fonts. So guys, once you get this app, you will be able to change the font style of your iPhone's system fonts. So guys, in this way you can also change the font style on your iPhone's system fonts. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.